Hello guys, this is MX3 Air Mouse and today I will show you how to program IR buttons on this remote, including power button and these 4 color buttons on the bottom. So this is my TV remote and I will program this power button to this red button on my Air Mouse. First I need to switch this remote from Air Mouse mode to infrared mode by short pressing this TV button, and this LED light will turn on. In order to program the IR buttons of the Air Mouse, now I need to switch it into the learning mode by long pressing this TV button until this LED light stops blinking and turns solid. Right after I release the TV button, it started blinking again. Now I will press the power button of my TV remote and it becomes solid. Now I will press the red button of my Air Mouse and it started blinking again. Now I will again press the power button of my TV remote and it becomes solid. That's mean the learning is success. Now I can exit the learning mode by pressing this TV button and follow the same procedure in order to program the rest of the IR buttons of this Air Mouse remote. Thanks for watching.